Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will just go over the three top swing setup that I'm looking at for this week. And the first one will be Euro GBP. And as you can see right now, I have my level marks. So the monthly here and here, and you can see that every time we come contact with the monthly resistance, which we are selling back down. And right now, we are coming down, and I believe that we might touch this monthly level. You can see that we have a pretty downtrend, high low right now, and I'm looking to sell on the next higher low here, and hopefully take price down here. And now we just gonna go to the weekly to see a little bit clear how price is looking. And on the weekly time frame, I have this level of resistance mark here. You can see that we supported here, push up, came back, supported, push up, and then finally we broke down. And this is the first time that we are coming back in contact with it. And you can see we have the 50 EMA also pointing down. And I think here might be a better place to look for sales and hopefully take price down to this monthly resistance level. So I'm looking for entry here, but I will not sell blindly. I will look for confirmation, like maybe bullish engulfing candle, bearish one. And if we go into the daily time frame, as you can see on the daily, we are starting to weak. This is a week on the daily. You can see here. Hopefully we can have a bearish engulfing candle that's gonna follow, and we're gonna be able to take the sets. The first TP can be here and the last one over here. So I will go to the 4-hour time frame, and we're gonna see clear how we can take a sell. And if you go to the 4-hour time frame, you can see that we're starting, but what I'm looking, if we can try to push and take this liquidity here like this, if we can do this, and then maybe a break of structure, then we can start to sell. Sorry, I didn't mean to do that. Can start to sell and hopefully take price down here. So like this, and place the sell here with a TP here. So this is the first pair I'm looking at. And the next one is gonna be for this is Euro GBP, and the next one is gonna be NAS 100. I will go quickly into the daily time frame, and you can see I already have my bias mark. You can see that here we have this previous resistance that was broken, briefly touched back, and we're coming back to touch the resistance. And I think this can present a good buying to take price back up to the previous highs. But what I'm looking for is maybe a break of structure, or also a confirmation candles like a bullish engulfing candle that gonna let us know that price is ready to move up. So if I go to the 4-hour time frame, this is the 4-hour time frame. We had this break of structure but it fell. So right now what we can wait to see is how price gonna react. If we can have something like this, and maybe we take the buys here. So this gonna be like the best entry possible, because since it's selling so hard, we don't know if it's gonna stop or it's gonna continue selling. So if we can have something like this, break of or change of character, and we can take the sales and hope that price gonna continue higher. The next pair I'm looking at is gbpchf. So I will go quickly into the weekly time frame, and if you see on the weekly, I believe this was a fake out, and you can see this a resistance, and we broke, we came back down, tried to break again, and then we sold all the way down. So what I'm looking is a higher low, and to sell price all the way down here, the first, second, and then hopefully take price down here. So This is what I'm looking at for gbpchf, and if I go quickly into the daily time frame, you can see a little bit better that we have this resistance here, this resistance or support that push price up, and then we broke. And if we are able to come back here, we can see that we have a fair value gap here also. Try to fill the fair value gap. I think this can be a good place to look for sales. So these are the three main pairs I'm looking for swing trading opportunities for this coming week, and keep them into your radar or your watch list. And maybe it can present some trading opportunities for you. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it. And I will see you in the next one. Take care.